Hi everyone, Vandana here. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a work from home opportunity with a company called Global Domains International, or GDI for short. This company has been around for a really long time, since 1999, and has been helping people across the world earn a full-time income working part-time from home or anywhere. You can start this business with just $10 per month with a free trial for 7 days. So watch this video till the end to see how you can change the financial health of your family with this $10 opportunity of working from home. Global Domains International, or GDI, is a domain hosting company like GoDaddy or HostGator. It offers domain name, hosting, and email packages. You can get your own domain name, hosting, and up to 10 email addresses and create your own website. You can also use it for buying a .ws domain name and redirecting your free website with another platform like Blogger or Wix or any other provider to your chosen .ws domain name. I shall be sharing some more details about Global Domains International and why it would be a right opportunity for you. Global Domains International, or GDI, offers website services and products, including domain registration. So when you register with GDI, you will get your own .ws domain name. You will be able to build your website using WordPress, or there's a quick, easy website building with Site Builder. The company also has a great affiliate program, which involves receiving commissions for recruiting additional affiliates and purchasing a .ws domain registration from the company. So you can get a full website for yourself, as well as when you get affiliates, you get paid for that. GDI was founded in 1999 and it has been in the business for the last 21 years. So it is really a long-term, stable business. GDI lets you test drive all its services free for 7 days. So when you sign up for a 7-day trial with GDI, you will get a .ws domain name, you will get a website builder, you will get domain hosting, and you will get 10 custom email addresses. And along with it, you will also get a back office where you can keep a track of what is happening with your affiliates and other things. After the 7-day free trial, you will be charged $10 for all of the above. Now, when you register, you will need to fill in your credit card details, but nothing will be charged. And if you cancel before 7 days, nothing will be deducted from your credit card. So after the 7-day free trial, you will be charged $10. So GDI, or Global Domains International, it's a global opportunity with a global product. It's available worldwide. It's available in 180 countries across the world. And it allows you to have international domain names if you want. So for example, you can have your domain name in Japanese, Chinese, Hindi, or in any other language that you usually use. So an internationalized domain name, or IDN, is an internet domain name that contains characters outside of the English alphabet, for example, from languages like Arabic, Hebrew, Chinese, and many others. IDNs are creating an opportunity for everyone in the world, regardless of language or location, to be able to access the internet in their native language. You can change the language in the GDI back office to any language of your choice. So for example, if you don't know English very well, you can go to the GDI back office and change everything to your language. You can join it from anywhere in the world with your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And you can be paid directly in your bank account anywhere in the world, or get a check, or get paid by PayPal anywhere in the world. Here are some more reasons why GDI appeals to everyone. It is free to join There is a 7-day free trial, so you can try it out, and if you like it, you can continue. If you don't, you can actually back out without losing any money. And after the free trial also, GDI is extremely low cost and extremely affordable. It just costs $10 per month for basic membership and an extra $40 for premium membership. Premium has many extras and it also boosts your commissions. We can talk about that later, but to start with, you can start with just $10. GDI offers unlimited earning potential. You can continue working with GDI and keep earning more and more. You can also get unlimited monthly residual income from your GDI network. There's absolutely no limit. And then you also have some unlimited bonuses, which I will talk about later. So GDI has also stood the test of time. Now, there are so many things that keep coming and keep going out of the market very soon, but it has stood the test of time. It's now in the 20th year, actually the 21st year, and that is really amazing. It is long-term, reliable, and extremely stable. GDI has an A+ rating with the BBB. It was rated Inc. 500's number 37 fastest growing company, and that is pretty awesome too. People that joined GDI way back between 1999 and 2005 and worked at it hard still to this day receive 4, 5, and 6-figure monthly checks from GDI. So you're going to be paid month after month even after you stop working. And so if you work hard for 3 to 5 years, you can then retire with a large monthly paycheck coming to your account every month. This is a long-term business for those who have long-term goals, and that's pretty much true of any business. Now, how much can you exactly earn with GDI? I'll just open the calculator and show you how much you can earn with it. So how much can you earn with GDI? If you've taken the $10 basic membership, and supposing you get just 5 people in your level 1. You recruit just 5 people, and now supposing each one of them also recruits 5 people. So levels 2 to 5, you will get $1. First level, you will get $1. So let's see how much this comes to. So if you recruit 5 and everybody, all of those 5 people also recruit 5 people, and all these 5 people also recruit 5 each, and so on, you will be earning a monthly income of $3,905 per month. Now let's change this to 6, 6, and 6. So how much this comes to? This comes to almost $10,000 per month. And this is a pretty appreciable income. From 6, let's go to 8. And 8, you will start earning $37,000, $448 per month, every month with your referrals. So again, this is excellent, and this is what our team goal is. Now supposing you work really hard and each of you get 10 people and they all also get 10 people each. So you will be earning a 6-figure dollar income per month. If supposing some people below you are not working and you are able to get more than 10 people, you can put people under the people who are under you. So this works, and with a basic membership fee of just $10, you can earn a really good income. Okay, so I want to show you how easy it is to get the people to convert. This is my back office. So you can see that I have so many people in my back office. These are all in my downline. These are on my level 1. These are on my level 2. The blue ones are the ones which are yet to convert to their trial members. They have yet to pay that $10. Then I'll go to the next page. You can see that all these green ones are the ones who've already paid the amounts. And so this system works, and it is working, and there are new people joining every day. Okay, so this is my email, and you can see that so many people are joining every day. You can get GDI bonuses Apart from the residual income that you are generating, which we showed in the calculator right now, you can earn from GDI. You have bonuses every week. There is a weekly Superstars bonus contest. Now you get $100 for every 5 referrals in a week. This contest has been going strong for many years. And what happens is that if you bring in 5 people to join you in a week between Monday morning and Sunday night, you get paid $100 when they make their payment next week. You can earn $100 for 5 referrals. If you get 10 referrals, you earn $200 in the week. If you get 15 referrals, you get $300. If you get 20 referrals, you get $400. And if you get 25 referrals, you get $500. So this is a really quick way of earning through GDI. Apart from this, the other bonus that you have is the GDI learning bonus. In this, there is a training at the back or in your back office, which is not very difficult. And after joining, within 10 weeks, you're supposed to complete that. So when you complete this learning bonus, which actually you can in just a day or two, you get $25 credited to your account, and you can withdraw those $25. So you can earn $25 just by completing the training. So in fact, you can make GDI free for yourself for the next 2 months using this. There is a GDI duplication bonus. They help you if you help others. So if your 10 directly referred new customers who earn $25 by getting their learning bonus, you also get $250. But 10 of them have to complete their training. So if you train 10 of the people who join you to complete their learning bonus, you will get paid $250. Now, isn't that amazing? That's another way of earning just by teaching the people who join you to do exactly what you are doing. Now, here are the benefits of joining the International Action Power team, which is the team that you will be joining when you click on the link which you have been given. So you get ready high converting website. In this ready high converting website, you will be getting exactly same website which you can share with others, and it really converts well because you can use it with any language. You can change it to Chinese, Japanese, Hindi, Arabic, anything, Portuguese, any other language. You also get email templates. Like sometimes we really don't know what to say to people who sort of looked at your website and how to invite them back and what to say. So all those templates you will get ready. So you can just share it with your prospective customers, and you have templates for everything. You will get banners, which if you have a blog or a website, you can put banners on your website. Then you get a ebook which explains what GDI is. And just by sharing this ebook, you can earn money. Because you can change the affiliate links which are inside the book to your affiliate links, share it with others, and once they register through the affiliate links given in your book, you will start earning money. You also get ready ads to post, and you get access to many advertising sources. And in fact, in my team, I will be sharing with you on how to promote your business on social media. Now, how will you join GDI? Click on the link which was given to you by your sponsor, because anybody in this team has access to this video, and whoever has given you the link, just click on that link without thinking. And if you don't have a sponsor, click on the link below or join using the instructions given on the website digitalearners.ws. You can go to your Google and just type that out. It'll take you to a website. Follow the instructions, create a similar website, and you will be up and running immediately with GDI. I hope that you found this video useful and have got full information about GDI. When you sign in through the link of your sponsor or through the link given below, I shall be sharing with you more videos on how to proceed with GDI and get your first 5 clients or first 5 people to join you here. Everybody these days is looking for a good earning opportunity, and believe me, this is a really good one. You'll be doing yourself a favor, and everybody who joins you will also be able to take advantage of this. Initially, when I had started with GDI, it didn't really appeal to me because it looked like a pyramid scheme or an MLM. And honestly, I didn't really want to go get started with it. But then when I went deep inside and saw that the product is very genuine, and also the the way it is programmed to help people succeed, I felt that this is a very good opportunity, and it's a good way to get online, start learning, and start executing, and start earning immediately almost. Now, don't get disheartened if you do not see immediate results. Sometimes it takes time to build a momentum and for people to see you 3, 4, 5 times online before they take action and show interest in what you are saying or what you have to offer. Take time to understand, go through the whole program, and take action. Take regular action every day and don't give up. Join the team. We will all be working as a team and helping each other along the way. So I'll be sharing more once you join through the link. Bye for now and have a nice day.